Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to add a family member to your Blink account. This allows them to access and control your Blink security cameras. So now let's get started. First, open the Blink application on your smartphone or tablet. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account Settings to manage your account. In the Account Settings, you will find an option labeled Manage Account. Tap on it, then select Add Family Member or Add User, depending on your app version. Now, enter the email address of the family member you want to add. They will receive an invitation to join your Blink account. Once they accept the invitation and create their own login, they will have access to your Blink cameras and can manage them through the app. And that's how you add a family member to your Blink account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.